Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Ledger Nano S to your phone. First, ensure you have a compatible Android phone running at least Android 8.1. You will also need a genuine on-the-go, or OTG, cable and the Ledger Live mobile application installed on your device. These are essential prerequisites for a successful connection. Once you have your essentials, begin by connecting your Ledger Nano S to one end of the OTG cable. Next, plug the other end of the OTG cable into your Android smartphone's charging port. After the physical connection is made, unlock your Ledger Nano S device by entering your PIN. This prepares your hardware wallet for interaction with the mobile app. With your Ledger Nano S connected and unlocked, open the Ledger Live mobile application on your phone. The app should prompt you to connect your Nano S. Select this option and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your device. This process ensures secure communication between your hardware wallet and the mobile application, allowing you to manage your crypto assets. It's crucial to use a high-quality, genuine OTG cable to prevent connection issues. Always keep your Ledger Live mobile app updated to the latest version for optimal security and functionality. Please note that this direct connection method is exclusively for Android devices. iOS phones do not support connecting the Ledger Nano S directly via cable. Always prioritize security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.